Hey, you wanna go upstairs? Bro, what the fuck? What are you doing? What the? Is he crazy?
What's up, guys? It's Mickey, and I just started this channel, Does It Microwave, and we're gonna be putting just a bunch of random shit in the microwave and seeing how long it'll last, pretty much. So today I'm doing a CD, and yeah, we're about to go do it. Oh. It's actually stuck to the f***ing plate. There's a hole burned through it. I mean, it's still one piece. Alright, let's finish it off. Damn. Holy f. No f. What's all that cracking sound? Oh my god, that's hot. Oh my. Look. You gotta look at this. You gotta look at this. This shit is melted. Completely melted. Oh. Makes you wonder what you're really listening to. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Special thanks to my friend Dre. Hello, where are you at?
I'm looking for water.
So yeah, I may be doing plenty more, so just comment what you guys want me to stick in this microwave, and yeah, I'll do it, but I'll probably have to get another one, so. Peace.
Like the video and subscribe.
Yeah, like the video and subscribe.